Everyone around me is in terrible danger, 'cause acting stupid's not a victimless crime. I've got my 2 cents and I'll rub them together. Start a fire and if nobody dies, there's a big book full of bright ideas. It's such a pity not a single one's mine, 'cause I can barely hold a crayon, much less stay inside the lines. I get by, and that's good enough for me. I got by, and that's all I really need. Started thinking I was paddling upstream in a dinghy that was made of lead. I swear I'm never gonna let it happen, till the next time that it happens again. Well, you've been baking in the sun for too long, and everything seemed like a good idea. Hot tar sticking you to the pavement, no place that I'd rather be than here. I get by, and that's good enough for me. I got by, and that's all I really need. Words on a tree in a forest, just to prove I was there at all, and said nothing much and everyone's gonna hear it. That tree's about to fall.